Hello and welcome, wonderful people. It's a wonderful world out there. Hope so. Good to see you once again in my math sessions. In this video, we want to look at equations with fractions. But before we do that, we just want to remind you guys to support us, follow us in different platforms that you're watching this video from. Could be Facebook, YouTube. Consider subscribing, liking, following, sharing. That will boost a lot of our algorithms. Without wasting any of your precious time, let's go straight away into example, which we have on this worksheet. Says 4 over x minus 5 minus 10x minus 10 over x is equal to 2 over x squared. Here I'm going to find the lowest common denominator, LCD. The LCD, to get an LCD, by the way, it says lowest common denominator, which means we're finding the denominator but the lowest of these denominators. I'm going to come up with x and x squared minus 5 minus x squared minus x minus 5, because it is the x minus 5 where both all this one can go there without leaving a remainder, this one also goes there without leaving a remainder, and this also goes there without leaving a remainder. Now, since we found the lowest common denominator, x minus 5, we are going to use the lowest common denominator to multiply each and every term. So I do have 4 over x minus 5. I'm going to multiply with x minus 5. So in this case, I'm not going to use this as my multiplication sign. I want to use a dot as a multiplication sign, but so I'm going to change this times to be x and x minus 5. Bring down the minus. I have 10 over x multiplied by lowest common denominator, which is x minus 5, is equal to 2 over x squared minus 5x multiplied by the lowest common denominator, which is x minus 5. Having multiplied with the lowest common denominator, the whole point is to get rid of the fractions. So as you can see now, this x minus 5 is going to cancel out with this x minus 5. It leaves us with the 4 times x, which is 4x, minus, in this case here, I'm going to have x cancelling with the other x there on top, so it leaves us with 10 x minus 5, bring us to this equal sign, and in this case here on the right hand side, that cancels with that, leaving us with a 2. Simplifying the brackets, I'm going to have 4x minus, we multiply 10 times x gives us 10x, negative 10 times negative 5, that's a positive 50, which is equal to 2. Now when we group the like terms, as you can see, I do have 4x and minus 10x, so 4 minus 10 gives us a negative 6x plus 15 is equal to 2. So minus 6 here, I'll have to transpose our 50, which is a positive, to the right hand side of the equation where we have a 2 already. So the 50 is going to be a negative 15, and we eventually have 6x is equal to 2 minus 50. 2 minus 50 is 48, a negative 1. Divide both sides by 6. Divide both sides by 6, and x is equal to 8. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Consider sharing, liking, following. See you guys in the next video. Cheers. Take care.